It's 1 a.m. in the middle of night, and we came to the 42nd floor. Someone said in the reception that there is a breathtaking view here. There is something called indoor urban farming. I'm not sure what's that. Let's have a look. Oh, nice views. What's inside here?
Nothing.
Nothing? How is it urban farming then? It's that same trap hole. Oh, there is plastic grass. The view is amazing. Wow. Oh, look at this, man. Oh, look, there is a mountain over there. Even the street and all the cars look so tiny. It's pretty cool, honestly, walking around in the middle of night. I'm so scared. Something's gonna happen, maybe. I don't know. This amazing view. I'm glad whoever told me in the reception, thanks to them. Oh my god. This view is unbelievable. That's the ocean side, the dark part that you see here. I'm just scared. Are there gonna be any ghost or anything here? It's 1 a.m. Oh my god, it's thundering here. By the way, from the lightning I remembered, whenever people see shooting star, right, they have a habit to make a wish that for the good luck or something. Did you guys know that shooting star means that Allah actually sending azab to shaitan, to the jinns? In the beginning of the creation, all the Nabi, Rasuls, they were getting messages from Allah. Jinns were going and they were trying to eavesdrop and listen to whatever the messages were being sent to the prophets and the Rasuls. The jinns used to bring these messages to their bosses, right? So that's when Allah made this system to throw burning hot lava rock on them or some sort of asteroid as a punishment. So when we see it, we think that it's a shooting star, and media tells us it's good luck and so on, but it's not. It's the azab on shaitan, and we should not cheer on that. So I'm just telling you as a story. Apart from that, stay away from all these things. Not good to talk about it right now. It's 1:30 almost. Scary stuff. Oh, there is some. There was.
Well, you scared me, really.
I swear there was. I felt like there was someone. Look at this.
There's no one.
Yeah, but there is a couch. I wasn't expecting it. There is a gazebo.
Oh, there's another gazebo. I swear, in the dark with this torch lighting, it looks very creepy.
Oh, they are
Heavy?
1 or 2 kilos. Not very heavy.
Right.
Nice.
Yeah. Actually, they look heavier, but they're not as heavy.
I'm telling you the truth. They come out after it's dark, and you should not be hanging out like this. And where are you going, bro? Look, even someone being locked here, I think. Strange thing. Let's get out of here, because oh my god, I would already lose the way to get out of here. I was confused. I was thinking, where is the way? We are in the lift. This is the kind of lift, transparent. The 11th floor, where they have a lot of different things here. Event hall, meeting room, swimming pool, gymnasium, movie theater, rock climbing, barbecue area, multi-purpose court, infinity pool. So let's explore this area. There is a nice sitting arrangement here so far. And on this side they have a very nice room I think it's game room, lounge room. That's a meeting room. In case you're staying here, you need to do a meeting. All in a sudden, why not? They have water there as well, a lot of bottles of water, because yeah, you probably have to buy water for the meeting. And there is a Halloween decoration everywhere. Stuff room, I guess. And what's that? Event hall. Is it gonna buzz? Let's try. Oh, wow, look at this. Nice event hall. Shut up. I'm going. Stopped. So we are going to explore what's over there. So far, I think there's a toilet here and the vending machine. Not bad. What do they have here? So they've got noodles, some cookies, infinity pool right here. Oh, that would be so cool to get inside it. Tomorrow, I'm definitely coming and going inside this infinity pool. And we have a gymnasium here. Wow, in the middle of two buildings. And we are on the 11th floor. They have a 3-floor gymnasium here. Nice. Life should be like this. You should be living in this kind of building. And we have gym, we have pool, we have theater, we have meeting room. You don't have to go out of your home. Absolutely. Wow. Look at this. What's that here? You can exercise inside here? What? I remember I saw something of this kind in a movie called Shaolin Soccer. Yeah. The villain team was practicing underwater like that with this kind of machine. Wow. Look at that. It's actually not bad. There is someone sitting right over there in a dry pool. Let's see what is he doing. He's probably soaking himself in invisible water. Invisible water. Look, look. He's trying to dip his leg inside it. I'm not lying. He rolled his sleeves up.
If you don't want to get wet, you can just go inside the swimming pool. Dry water.
The people walking around. It's quite big area, I have to say. Quite a big area. There are lifts here as well. So you can take actually lifts over there, and then you can also take lifts here. Wow. Nice. There are more vending machines here. Sitting area. Sitting area. Is it all inside building? Can't even believe it's all inside the building. So this is a place where they sell probably some fruits and veggies and food, maybe. Moderation, makanan, and minimum fruit. Malaysian snacks. So you can even open your business here for the people in the building. There is another sitting area with the views, another pool, but very shallow. And there is a jogging track here as well. You start jogging from here, all the way you run, and then you keep running. Woohoo! What's that? Wow! You don't need any machine for the cardio. Let me show you.
So why don't you go and exercise there?
Let me try. I haven't been exercising for ages already.
Oh, your t-shirt exactly matching the color of this monkey bars. You look like you're a part of it. It does look like you didn't do it for quite a long time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, I don't want to
Maybe like
my mobile.
25 years.
It's for the people of my species.
That looks fun actually.
It's cool.
Yeah.
And
Do it, it looks so fun.
You can do dips here. What's that? Oh no, this is for thinning your waistline. Look. So cool.
Yeah,
it's
keep
all
doing
inside
it.
the building. You don't have to pay for the you can come out of your home and do that. And enjoy the view. I'm actually looking at the view right now while I'm moving my hips. So there is a place where they have huge basin for some reason. There is no barbecue here. Someone left the tap open.
Yeah, close it.
We don't like wasting
Oh,
anything.
yes.
Do not
Yeah.
waste. Wasting anything means eating the dead flesh of your brother in Islam. So do not waste. We don't like wasting. Come on, I'll show you more.
Let's go.
And
Woo!
what is
Rock climbing.
rock climbing?
Cool.
Seriously? What? Should I try with the shoes on?
No, maybe not.
Wait, let me
Ah.
try with the shoes off.
Are you sure you want to do it?
I never did it before. It's fun, isn't it fun?
Wow,
It's
yeah.
like in the middle of night, if you feel like rock climbing, or you have a sleepwalking disease, you better sleep here,
Yeah.
and you automatically exercise at night.
You might wake up and find herself like hanging from the wall like that. Good thing they
Whoa.
have a soft kind of pillow, so in case if you fall, you'll just not break your bones. You'll fall on something soft. How is it?
It's difficult, not as easy as it looks like. It's my first time ever.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, you're doing quite good. Hey!
Did it.
Congrats. Well done.
Good to do some physical activities. I've been lazy for a couple of months or maybe almost a year.
I see you're puffing.
Yeah, I'm walking. There is a basketball court here, my God.
Oh, cool.
You can play football.
So basketball and football. Yes.
And wow, they've got a playground here for the kids.
Cool. These are all real plants, by the way. That soil, real plants. Big tree. So interesting activity for kids, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see. There's also water.
Wow, can you believe it? There is a kids zone, kids play zone. Not sure why did they do that. And there is a pavilion here. And oh my God, look at the pillar. Are these all rocks?
Yes.
Wow, it's like an almirah of rocks.
Yeah.
It's a whole pillar.
If you open the doors, all the rocks gonna just fall on you, I think.
Interesting design. And from here you see this view outside. Interesting. Someone is riding a bike inside the building parking area. It looks like he's riding it on the street. Pretty cool, yeah?
Yeah, it's huge parking area.
Look guys, we have so many interesting things. There is a barbecue table here where you can grill barbecue right from here and enjoy your barbecue. Oh, it looks very dirty and rusty, but I think you can put a foil here before warming things up. They have grills. Wow, sink, nice facilities. And then with this view you'll do barbecue. The infinity pool area. Wow, look at that. With that view. Oh, so nice. There is a small mountain here. There is ocean. You probably cannot see. Shower area. More sunbeds. Nice. Look at the view. You're just in the pool. Enjoy the view.
Oh, this is the best side actually.
There is road, there is water, there is mountain. Beautiful. I didn't know that there will be these many activities in this 11th floor. It's almost like a stadium, football field. But I hope you did enjoy showing you this place in the middle of night. And I did rock climbing for the first time just for the video. Was thinking to make these videos. These are my first few vlogs. Basically to encourage the Muslim young audiences or the others as well, and also share some Islamic collective knowledge and some of my stories. So if you did enjoy it, give a thumbs up, give a like, let me know in the comment section your feedback. I'll make more videos for you. Hopefully you did enjoy the video. I'll come here, by the way, in the daytime because I didn't know. It's very entertaining. By the way, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.